Hey guys, what's going on? It's Avian. I've never done a video like this before, but I have to fix this camera because it's not high enough, apparently. Alright, so I'm doing a new video. I've got two things in here. My main point of this video is this. Pokemon card packs. I've never opened them on camera. I've been planning on doing it because I literally have, these aren't all of them. I have this camera standing on top of the other boxes, but I'm gonna be opening this. But first, I saw this at GameStop. It is literally $4. Yeah, there we go, $4. So I'm gonna test it out and see if this works. Of course, I need my mic, which I don't even know where it is. So bear with me, guys. Here it is. Now, don't try this at home unless you have parental supervision. I know that's parental of me to say it, but all right. So what we have here, we have the manual, and we have the headset itself. Now this box, there we go. Let's see. So we have the whole cord here. That's nice. This is the mic. Of course it bends. That's beautiful. And it's adjustable, so I can fit my own head in it. This is the cord, which this is absolutely something I needed. Ooh, oh, there's the muffler, right? Is that it? That goes over the mic. I've got no clue. I'm gonna guess it does. Yep, there it goes. Oh, sadly, I have to plug this in with the USB. I thought it would be mic, like through the controller, but I guess not. So let's try that out, guys. Let's see how this goes. Luckily, my PlayStation is on. And now I have to set this camera back to the way it was. There we go. This is gonna be a weird setup, but I've gotta get used to it because I'm gonna try to go down the ground, that too. I'm gonna try this. Alright. Now, I'm going to adjust it. I mean, hey, PlayStation. I mean, I don't see it working yet. I'm going to enter my PlayStation. I have it on mute for now. PlayStation. Yep, it works. All right. So that is a literal $5 headset. You can go, I believe, to your local GameStop and get this. Possibly, possibly not. Ooh. And it has a mute on it, and it has the volume button. Oh, it's not even in the camera. Look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna throw that on my bed over there. And we're gonna move on from this video. I'm gonna turn this off, move on with the video. Turn off my PlayStation so it doesn't overheat. Alright. And now, the next item, Pokemon cards. It's 2 packs, 40 sleeves. I believe $10 from Target. Let's open this up. So one part, it's got 20 sleeves. And it's got Sil Valley on them, which those are really, really nice. And then the card pack. And then the second one, that came off pretty nice. There's 20 more. And then there's the other card pack. So, put these right here. Now, I'm going to shuffle them without looking. I don't know which one I'm going to pick. I'm going to go with this one. Shiny Legends, alright. So, I don't know the card trick for this one. I believe it's a 3-2. And this one's hard to open, too. Try not to bend the cards. Alright. So, here's the code card for you guys. Whoever wants it, whoever claims it. 2, 3, and then that 2. I don't know if that's it. But there's a Zorua, a Litten, Quillfish, Shroomish, Golett, a Holo Energy card. So I don't think I did it right. A Great Ball. A Pokemon Catcher. Colors Energy, I needed that. And a Raichu Secret Rare GX. What? That is amazing. I'm going to put that into the sleeves. Into a sleeve. There we are. Put over there. And that was the rare for this one. And the holo was the energy. And now, Burning Shadows. I believe it's the 4-2. So, I'm going to remember that for these ones. Alright. Here's a code card for you guys. Whoever claims it. 2, 3, 4, and then a 2. Alolan Vulpix, Hoot Hoot, Ladybug, Mudbird, Horsey, Energy, Charmeleon, Bouffalant, Olivia, Wobbuffet, and a Nutsteel. So, that was a really great pull. That was an amazing pull, actually. A Raichu GX. Like, look at that, guys. Like, look at that. I don't know which way this is going to upload, but look at that. That's amazing. So, that's good. I've got all of these here. Yeah. So, that was it for that. Really worth it. Going to trash these. And more trash. And I will grab my binder. And I'll have to actually show you what I have pulled. Put all these here. So this is going to be an awkward, but I have all of this. I can show you. Let me try this. And everything goes crashing down. Alright. So that came out alright. But I will show you myself then. So I've got these. I've pulled these. That's just the energies I have. And then I have these. These secret rares. Discard those ones back there. I'm going to talk about these. Those are the secret rares I've pulled. Now, including this Raichu GX Secret Rare. If I can push it in there. There we go. So, first card opening. Well, on the channel. Pretty good. If I can, I will turn the camera around. No, I cannot. So I will this. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for more of that content. Like this video if you like it. And I'll see you later. Peace.